How's it, guys? So I've installed these lights before. I never did a video on it, but I have to do some maintenance. I've decided I'll show you a little bit about it. I don't know if it was my 2-year-old little son that got the better of it or the corrugation. So I have these LED lights that I've just used a glue gun, glued it up at the top here, but I'll also be needing today a solder iron, because when this light came off, it came off the wires here. So I thought I'll do a little DIY video for you so you can see how it's done. Cool, so as you've seen, I've glued it up, did a little bit of soldering, so let's taste it. I have a little cigarette lighter connection there, which I've obviously disconnected while I was busy here now. So let's see. There we go. And if you're wondering why I'm using green lights, well, I've done this all in a short amount of time for preparation for a long trip we did when we went to Nguini river trip. So I went to the shops to get yellow light, but no way I could find at a time. And then I saw these green ones, so I thought I'll give it a try. And this far, it's worked. We haven't had issues of bugs. The only downfall to them though is, makes you a bit of color blind at night. So when you eat your food and you have them on, you can't really see what you're eating. But yeah, nevertheless, it's working. This makes enough light to show around. I'll take another clip for you so you can see tonight. So as promised, it's the light at night. And yeah, we're having some withdrawn symptoms, so we're gonna cook up some pancakes. And yeah, to show you the color blindness, this tag on my keys, what color do you think that is? Let me put a flashlight on it to reveal the color. So that's the only problem with the green, but otherwise it works a treat. Cooking time. I don't know how you guys like your pancakes, but I like it old South African traditional way of sugar and cinnamon. That's good. Cool. Thanks for watching. And this is how we cope with lockdown and Corona. So, till the next one.